Hey, my name is Veena Prashant. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce to you my latest plugin, the List Building Bot. This plugin is incredible. The number of ways it can help you with list building, with sales, with marketing, it's going to absolutely blow your mind. Today, I'm going to give you a quick demo of this plugin. Then I'll take you behind the scenes to show you different ways you can use this plugin to grow your online business. Just keep this in mind. With all the stuff that's happening with AI, it has gotten a lot more easier for people to create and launch their products, because of which the marketplace is crowded. It has gotten a lot more harder to sell your products and services. So what can you do to do things differently? What can you do to capture the attention of people that come to your site? Because same old is not working anymore, right? The future of marketing, the future of sales, it's all headed towards conversational experiences. You got to create an experience that's so memorable that people are going to remember. Even after they leave your site, they're going to remember the experience. That's exactly what this list building bot plugin will help you do. It will help you create a personalized experience for each one of your prospects. Because remember, you're not selling to a machine. A lot of people forget this, right? You have to create an experience keeping in mind that you're selling to humans. Every person is different. People are going to have different barriers in their mind. They're going to have different objections. You got to handle all of those objections, whatever it is that they are thinking, whatever concerns they have about your product, whatever concerns they have about your service. You got to handle those objections one by one. People are busy. People are distracted. They're not going to read through a whole bunch of text to figure out if your product can do what they are looking for. They are on your site. All they want is they have specific questions in mind about your product, about your service, and they just want you to answer those specific questions for them. So how do you create a personalized shopping assistant for each one of your prospects? That's exactly what this list building bot plugin will help you do. It will help you create a personalized assistant for each one of your prospects. They're going to feel special because you're going to ask them specific questions based on what they need, what they want, and you're going to create an amazing experience for them using a conditional logic bot plugin. So what I'm going to do is start by giving you a demo of this plugin, show you how I'm using it on my sales page. And then I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how easy it is to build all kinds of funnels using this plugin, and different ways you can use this plugin to grow your business, to grow your sales, grow your list, build your list, and all those things. Let's start with the demo. All right, so this is my listbuildingbot.com site. This is where I sell my list building bot plugin. And on this site itself, I'm actually using a bot here. Right here, you can see I'm using a bot to help me sell more copies of this plugin. And this is the one I want to show you first. I want to give you a demo of this and show you how I'm using this bot right here on my sales site as a sales assistant by answering the questions using my bot. So here you can see I'm using a video background, and another one of these unique things this plugin has, because most of the chatbot platforms that you may have used, typically you're going to find like a icon, like a chat icon. It's not going to instantly capture their attention. No matter how great your bot logic is, they have to still click on it to open the pop-up, right? But ours is different. People come to my site, they see me saying hi, so you can record yourself saying hi to your prospects and add that. It's going to help you instantly capture the attention of your prospects. You can see here, this is a pop-up bot. You have two different options with this plugin. You can use it as a pop-up like this one, or you can use it in page. You can publish it anywhere on your site, any section, anywhere you want this to show up. If you don't want to use it as a pop-up, but you want it to show up in a specific area of your sales page, opt-in page, home page, wherever, right? You can do that too. It comes with a shortcode. You can publish the shortcode wherever you want. In my case, I'm using it as a pop-up bot on my sales page. All right, so you can add your welcome message here and click the button below for a demo. And also it allows you to add multiple messages, and then you can add responses. You can let your users pick the response they want. You can add one or more responses. In this case, there's just one response. Show me what you can do, right? So your users are going to click on this, and you can see here, there are 4 different options. I have added 4 different responses here. It's up to you, right? What you add in the back end, depending on different things, different areas you can help people with. You can add different product boxes similar to what I have done here. And it's up to you if you want to use an image or just text. All of that is completely customizable in the back end. So here in my case, I have 4 different options. If they want to see a demo of how this plugin can be used for lead qualification, they can click on this. If they want to see a demo of how this plugin can be used for product recommendation, they can click on this. Now, obviously, if you're not selling a plugin and you don't want to do a demo of your whatever it is that you're selling, say that it's an online course or a challenge or training, whatever, right? If it's an info product, then it's up to you how you build your bot, right? You can answer specific questions. You can address different objections. You can say, okay, let me know what are your specific questions, and add different options, pre-configured options for them. They can pick one of these. And as you learn more about your prospects, different objections they have, different concerns they have, different queries they have, you can then update the bot funnel in the backend to include that as an answer choice, right? So keep updating it, keep making it better, keep making it smarter. So most of the questions your prospects have, you're going to answer it through this automated bot. You don't have to be there answering those questions. You can use this bot funnel to answer whatever questions they have and guide them in the right direction, creating an amazing personalized experience for each one of your prospects. All right, cool. I'm going to give you a demo of how to qualify leads for your products. Yes, I'm ready. No, I'm not interested, right? So they can pick one of these options. Say that, they say, yes, I'm ready. Now, first question is the budget question, right? You're qualifying your leads. So one of the questions you definitely want if you're qualifying your leads is ask them, what's your budget? How much are you willing to spend? Because if the budget is not in the right range, you can let them know, sorry, our service, our product costs a lot more than this. Currently we don't have anything that fits your budget, right? So you can guide them in the right direction based on their budget, based on this question. So you can start lead qualification with a budget question. For example, what's your budget? You can add as many answer choices as you want in the backend, similar to a quiz, except in a conversational bot format. Let's say they say it's between $300 to $800. Next question, what's your timeline? How soon do you want this done? So they can say, I'm ready to start now, in a few months, I'm not sure. Say that, they say, I'm ready to start now. So each one of these answer choices, you can connect it to a different next question, different message. So it's completely up to you, right? This funnel is completely in your control. You can fully configure all of these options in the backend. So before we start, what should we call you? So you can see the format, right? It doesn't feel like, they're not going to feel like they're filling out a big, long, static form, right? You're asking them in a friendly, conversational way, what's your name? So let me enter my name. Pop in your email address below so we can send you a personalized report and an awesome gift for answering these questions, right? So make it even more enticing by giving them access to a freebie that you have. So get them to sign up, give you their name and email, and then you can give them access to this freebie. All right, so this also integrates with all leading email platforms, automation platforms. So what you can do is when they enter the name and email, right, you can configure the list building bot plugin in the backend to say, if they give me the name and email, add them to this list in my email platform. So you can do list segmentation. You can also say, give them this tag based on this response. Or you can say, add all of these responses or this specific response to this specific custom field. There are so many different ways you can use it and use it to segment your prospects based on their responses and add them to different lists, send them different email campaigns based on their response, all that stuff, right? You can do all of that using this plugins. All right, so I'm going to enter this. See what the response is. Let's talk. We are so glad you found us. You won't be disappointed. Pick a date and time and schedule your free call. We'll discuss all the options and give you a reasonable quote. So here you can add a link to your calendar, right? So they can schedule a call with you. Or you can let them know we have sent you an email with all the details. You'll be able to schedule a call with us. Just check your email. So that's up to you how you do this, but all the options are here, right? This is one path. And so let's go back and test out more options here. So I'm going to reset this. Are you sure you want to reset? You can also go back, but I'm going to reset. All right, so we are back here. Hi, my name is List Building Bot. Click on a button below for a demo. So now let's say they click this. This time I'm going to select a different option. Let's say this time they say, I want to see a product recommendation demo. You can use it. I hope you're getting ideas in terms of different ways you can use it for your courses, for your challenges, for your whatever stuff that you sell online, right? So you can do the same. You can add different boxes, different categories. You can even use it as a simple product recommendation, right? You can say, what do you need help with? Do you need help with list building? Do you need help with traffic? Do you need help with ads? Whatever it is that you help with, different areas, right? Add a box for that. When they click on it, ask more questions related to that topic. And then continue, going deep in that direction. Find out their specific objections, their specific questions, their specific concerns in that topic. Use that to create, more products to help them with that specific problem. It's going to give you so many ideas as well, right? Not just you're going to help people sign up for your stuff because of the friendly nature of this bot. They're going to happily give you their name and email. And also, you will get so many ideas in terms of new products you can create because you're getting direct answers from your prospects, people that are interested in the kind of stuff that you sell. All right, product recommendation this time. All right, you can see here I have added 5 different options: list building, membership sites, sales funnel, how to pre-sell, and tech. You can add as many options as you want depending on different areas you help people with, right? If you're an agency, for example, all the different services you offer, add all of that as a box here. and ask them more specific questions based on the box they select. So here, for example, let's say they say list building. You can see I'm showing them 3 different options. Here are some of the resources designed to help you with list building: 5-day lead magnet challenge, 14-day list building challenge, lead magnet planner. These are paid resources. This is a freebie, right? So they can click on it and I'll send them to my sales page where they can sign up or learn more about this specific challenge or course or training, whatever it is that you want to do, right? This is how it works. So you can check it out on our site. You can go to listbuildingbot.com and you can check out the demo. Initially, when you create a bot funnel, don't worry about creating the perfect funnel. It's not going to be perfect until you get feedback. Same thing about your products, right? You cannot create a perfect product until you launch it, get feedback, get people to use it, see what challenges they're facing, and then fix those problems, address those specific needs, and then make it better, right? That's how your product evolves, and that's how you can evolve your bot funnel as well. Let me now give you a demo of an in-page bot. So in this case, you can see it's not a pop-up bot. Here I have published the shortcode in this section, right? This is a WordPress page and I have published the shortcode here. Now, if you don't have a WordPress site, and you still need a WordPress site because this is a WordPress plugin to create the bot, to create the funnel, but it's going to give you an embed code. You can publish the embed code on any site. Even if it's not a WordPress site, you can use the embed code on any site. It doesn't have to be a WordPress site to use it, all right? In this case, this is a WordPress page and I'm using my page builder. I have created this page and I have inserted my bot shortcode right here. And this one is a feedback bot. This is a survey bot. And all of this are like pre-built templates. In LBB Backend, you can say, I want to use this pre-built template for survey. And it's going to give you something that looks like this. And you can update it with your questions, answers, responses, all that you can update. You can see here if you want to quickly collect survey. This is something which will work great on your thank you page, right? If you have a lead magnet, you send people to your thank you page after they sign up, definitely add this. If you have a sales page and you send them to a thank you page after they purchase your product, definitely use this because you can collect feedback instantly, right? They just made the purchase. They just signed up for your stuff. The whole experience they had on your site, things they liked, things they didn't like, it's all fresh. Remember it. So that's the best time to ask them this question. So definitely add this on your thank you page. And you can see here, thanks for visiting our site. I would love to get your feedback to make our products even better. How would you rate your overall experience? 1, 2, you can add all this stuff in the backend. Again, this is a pre-built template. You will have access to this template. You can just use it and quickly add this to your site. So say that let's say they say 3. Next question. Thanks for your feedback. We would love to know what you didn't like about our product. Your feedback will help us make it better because they did not give you a high rating, right? They gave you a rating of 3. So you can let them know, we would love to know what you didn't like, right? So they can enter whatever they want. And you will find all of these responses in the backend. You can track all of this in the backend. We greatly appreciate your feedback. We'll review your feedback with our team and work hard to improve your experience, right? So you can show them different things based on their responses. That's what a logic bot funnel will allow you to do. You can show them different things. For example, I'll do this again. So here this time, I'm going to load this page. All right, so I'm going to do this again. This time, I'm going to select a high rating. Let's say 5. So the next question in this case should be different, right? Thanks for your positive feedback. It knows that the feedback is great. So this answer choice is connected to a different next question than the previous one. We would love to know what you liked about our product. Let's say they can type in whatever they want. One last question. Anything we can do better? Appreciate your honest feedback. They can say whatever they want. We greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much, right? So you can let them know your response. So this is one way you can use it. There are so many different use cases. Let me give you some more examples. Here, you can see simple lead capture. In this case, I'm using a background video, right? This is the background video. And so it will stand out. Like I said, you don't have to use it like a typical, bot where you have a minimized icon showing people have to click on it to answer the questions. You can also use it as an in-page bot. Make it look like this. Add it towards the top of your sales page, opt-in page, home page. It's going to capture their attention instantly, right? Because it's amazing. It looks great. The UI is so beautiful that it's going to capture their attention. All right. How can I help you? Are you struggling to come up with compelling headlines, intros, and CTAs that resonate with your audience for your lead magnet offer? We have the perfect solution for you. You can download our free fill-in-the-blank template. It has everything you need. So say that you have a lead magnet. You want to offer them a lead magnet. You can add, static sign-up form, or you can add this. Right? What will work better, you think, right? Because this looks different, right? And this one doesn't feel like they're signing up for something. Let's say they say, yes, I want access. They can add whatever they want here. Cool. Just answer a couple of questions and we will give you instant access. What shall we call you? They can enter their name here. Next question, what's your best contact email ID? They can give you their email. They send you they enter some junk email. They're not going to get the freebie. So they need to give you the right email. You can let them know of that here. Thank you for these details. Click the button below for instant access. Download now, right? You can connect this download now button to your download page where they can access this freebie. Let me give you a quick tour of the backend. This is the backend. This is the manage bot funnels page. You will find all the funnels you have built right here. And you can find the one that you want. You can edit the one you want. You can clone it. You can import it. You can delete it. You can preview it. All these things are here. Now, if you want to create a brand new bot, right, you can click on this and you can see there are so many options. You can create from scratch. When you click on create from scratch, you can build it from scratch, or you can still use AI to build it. You can build your entire bot funnel using AI within seconds. You can say, this is what I want my bot funnel to do. Build me one. And then it will build it out for you. You can update it as needed. Super simple to get started. It uses OpenAI, but if you don't want to use OpenAI, you can also use ChatGPT, which is completely free. All right. So that's also part of this. And the second option is pre-programmed bot. You can select any one of these pre-existing bots. We currently have these 5 pre-built bots. I just showed you the demo, right? All of these are the pre-built ones. And you can use any of these and add it to your site as an in-page bot, as a pop-up bot, and you can configure different options. You can update it as needed, but these are going to help you get started quickly. That's what I would recommend if you're just starting out with this plugin. Use one of our pre-built templates and then update it as needed. It'll be much easier than building it from scratch. Once you get the hang of it, once you get used to it, then it's super easy. But initially, you may want to just use the pre-built option or the AI option. So everything is built out for you. Then you can update it as needed, right? So you can select whichever ones you want and you can build it like that. And the third option is like custom bot for your site. You can train the bot. When you click on it, it's going to bring you here. You can give it any name you want, call it whatever you want, select the theme color. Here there are 2 options. You can just use OpenAI. It will just use AI to respond to the questions your prospects have. But you can still say, you can still apply some rules and you can say, don't answer these types of questions. Only answer these types of questions. Only answer questions related to this topic. You don't want people to abuse it, right? So you can set those rules even if you use the OpenAI option. But this is an awesome option. Train the bot, right? So you can train it with your content. So you can use a combination of your content and OpenAI, or you can say only use my content, right? In both cases, it's still going to use OpenAI. Whatever content you upload, right, is going to feed it to OpenAI and it will create a custom bot in OpenAI for you. And then it's going to use that custom bot to respond back to questions, right? So you're creating a custom trained bot for your website. All right, the next option, website, upload files, text box, FAQ. So you can get it to fetch your website content. You can enter the URL of the page, get all the links there, and it will scrape the content. It will find all the links from that page. It will show you that the main page is also here, right? You can select the ones you want to train the bot, right? You can select all the URLs you want. And the next screen, it's going to, that's it. Already trained, right? It's already there. It already knows everything you got here, everything you got here. You can edit the content as well. Another unique feature we have, it will show you all the content it got. It's scraped from that. And it also going to show you this. If you want to update it, you can. Otherwise, it's already trained. This bot, specific bot, is trained on this content. You can add as many pieces of content as you want. So you can continue to add more. Go back. It will see these are already used. You have already trained it, but you can add more content here. You can add new links here. You can upload files here, right? You can upload a document, text file, whatever you want. There's also a text area. You can upload the text document here. Just add it here, whatever text content you want. An FAQ option where you can add different questions and answers and add different tabs in your bot for your frequently asked questions. You can do that too. So like I said, it has tons and tons of features. You can use it however you want. So let me go back here. So here, what I want to show you quickly is this one, right? This is the one I gave you a demo of. This is the one I'm using on my site. Let me edit this bot and show you what I have done here. So the first tab here, you can see you can give it a name, pick your theme color. There are 3 options. You can build a logic bot. You can use logic bot and live chat. You can also use just chat option, a live chat option. What you can do is say that you have a logic bot similar to mine. Say that they're not finding the answers to whatever they're looking for. And you want to give them an option where they can say, transfer me to an agent, and they can click on it. And you want to be able to respond to that question in real time. You can do that, all right? You can say logic bot plus live chat. And if you're not available, you can set your availability. And if you're not there at that time, you can say, show this message if no one is available. And you can respond to them in real time. And we have this whole conversations UI built for that. We can go there and respond to them in real time. They will see the message and they can talk to you in real time. And what you do on each one of your pages is up to you. You can use a live chat on one page. You can use a logic bot on another page. You can use different logic bot funnels on different pages. Totally up to you. All right. So settings page, you can use in-page or minimize. As you can see, I'm using a minimized option. I'm not using the in-page option. They click on it, they see the chat in a pop-up. That's the minimized option. This message that you see here, that's the one I'm showing right here. Hi, ask me anything. And I'll show you how you can configure all of that in the style settings, right? What you want to show, how you want it to appear. You can configure that in the style setting. Here you can just let it know, is it in-page or minimized? In my case, this is minimized. You can configure on what pages you want to show this bot, when to show it, and who should see it, logged in members or everyone. And also the when to show, right? You can say, I want to show them upon scroll or after a certain amount of time has elapsed. So you can do that. You want to show a made with option. This is an awesome option, right? Because we offer an affiliate program with the list building bot. So if you want to promote this plugin, you can add a made with list building bot at the bottom or powered by list building bot and link it using your affiliate link. This way, if someone goes to your site, they look at this bot, they're like, this looks awesome. I want something like this on my site. They can click on the link and it will be your affiliate link. So you will automatically earn commissions on each sale, right? Made from your link. So you can use that, or you can add whatever you want. Doesn't have to be our site, our plugin. If you want to use this to promote something else, you can do that too, right? You can change the text, you can change the link, what it links to. You can change this. So all of this is configurable. You can also optionally add a search feature. So there will be two tabs in the front end, the chat and the search. If they click on the search, then it will let them search your database, your WordPress content, your pages, your posts, and it will find relevant content, whatever they are looking for. If it finds it, it will respond back to them with links to those blog posts. So this is the funnel. This is the first version of this funnel. I'm pretty sure I'll be making a lot more updates to the funnel based on what I learned, based on the questions people ask. And that's what I would recommend, right? Your product initially, you cannot create a perfect product until you get feedback. So you got to get it out there. You got to launch it. You got to get feedback. You got to see if you're able to get people the results that you promised. If not, then you got to improve it. You got to make it better. And then based on the feedback, make updates. And that's how you create, that's how you can use an iterative approach to make your product better. Similarly with the bot funnel, right? You cannot create the perfect bot funnel the first time. You got to create the funnel, get it out there based on the questions you think people have, based on the objections you think people have. But once you launch it, right, you're going to start getting feedback. People are going to ask you questions. Then update the funnel based on those frequently asked questions. Update your funnel based on that. That way, when people come to your site, you don't have to be there. It's going to work for you 24/7. It's the best sales assistant or the best list building assistant. Answer all the questions, handle all the objections using the bot. That's what your bot funnel will allow you to do. You can see here, this is my bot funnel, right? You can zoom in like this. You can see all the questions. This is click and edit. You can change it right here. Or you can click on the edit. It will open the site pop-up. You can update whatever you want here. You can upload an image for each one of your messages like this. And this one is my second question, right? Click the button below for a demo. When you click on edit, you can see there are different types of questions, right? Single choice, text, name, email, phone, country. All of these are different options you can add. And you can upload an image if you want. And the answer choices. This is a single choice question. I only have one answer choice here, which says, and the answer choice is, show me what you can do. You can upload an image for that answer choice and action. What should happen if they pick that answer, right? What should happen? What do you want it to do? In this case, I have just connected it to the next node, right? If they select. But there are different options. You can even click on this to set up your funnel. See, next action. What should happen next? I want to connect it to a URL. If they click on it, I want to send them to a different page. I want to connect to an agent. I want to start over with a different question if they pick a specific response. All of that is configurable here, right? But if you just want to connect it to the next node, you can do that. You can edit your answer from here. You can delete, you can assign tag. You can also map it to an outcome. Just like in our Smart Quiz Builder plugin, which is our quiz plugin, you can create different outcomes and you can send people to different outcome screens based on responses and say, here's your outcome type. This is what it means for you. This is what you need to improve. This is what you can get better at. Here's how you can get better at this thing. You can do all of these things using this bot as well. So you can use it almost like a quiz. So there is also a question type of outcome, right? So you can create a outcome type of question and map the answer choices to a specific outcome, right? Just like in Smart Quiz Builder, you can connect the answer choices to a specific outcome. At the end, you can send them all to this outcome type of question. You can see here, I've done that right here. I'm using an outcome type of question, %outcome, and I'm using this tag %outcome. And LBB knows what their outcome is, and it's going to show them that specific outcome and all the details about that outcome on that screen. So you don't have to use all of these complex features initially. Keep it simple, right? Use it as a simple bot with your funnel. And then once you get the hang of it, once you get used to it, you can go crazy with it because there are so many options. There are so many different ways you can use it. You can see this question, I have 4 different answer choices. This one again is a single choice, but 4 answer choices. What would you like to see? You can see the answer. Answer 1, read qualification. I'm using an image here. What should happen next? I want to send them to the next screen. And answer 2, this one, product recommendation. And you can upload different images for each one of your answer choices, all right? So these are all single choice. You can see multiple, and you can also easily clone it, right? You can say clone this answer. So you don't even have to build it from scratch. You can just clone it like that. And you can add simple messages also. If there is nothing else to say, nothing for them to respond to, but you just want to add a simple message, you can do that. You can see this is the name question. Before we start, what should we call you? I'm using the name type of question to ask them for their name. Similarly, email, ask for email. All right, so this one is a simple message. You can see it says, thank you for checking out this demo. I'm just using a simple message and last message, no answers required. So sometimes I'm sending them directly to this message. See here, if they say I'm not interested, I'm just sending them to the thank you message. That's it. I've created a node here, sending them here. If you want to add a new node, click on this, select the type of question you want and build it out. And then it is going to show up here in the funnel, right, towards the right. You'll find the newly added question towards the right. You can just drag it and bring it wherever you want and connect it to whatever node you want, right? To connect it to a different node, all you have to do is, like say that you want to connect this one, right? Product demo to a different node. You can just disconnect it from this one and connect it, drag it from here and connect it to whatever node you want, like this. That's it, all right? And if you want to add a new node and connect to it, add the new node and then drag it and connect it to that node. That's how it works, all right? And then the style option, you can see here, you can update all the style. And this is a super smart plugin. You can, use the global style. And you can say, I just want to use the global style on this one. Or you can say, I want to use chat specific style. That's what I have done. In this case, I'm using the video style. As you can see, I'm using an interactive. I'm using this video format. I like this better because it's more personalized. It's all self-explanatory. I'm not going to go over the details. Question style, answer background color, and the selected answer. Once they select a specific answer choice for your single choice question, you can select the selected answer style. All of this is here. So let's skip this one. Automation, you can connect it with your email platform. When people give you their name and email, you can let LBB know what email platform you want to connect it to. You can add those users to a specific list. You can also give them tags. You can give them tags based on the selected answers, and LBB will send it to the email platform with the right tag. You can do all these things here. You can also connect with an automation platform such as Zapier. The next thing is email. If you want to send yourself an email, you want to send your subscribers an email, you can do that here. It will send them the entire chat history in the email. So if you want to do that, you can do that here. And the final summary here, you can see there is a shortcode option. There is the embed code option. If you don't have a WordPress site or you want to use this chatbot on a different non-WordPress site, use the embed code option. And also it has an awesome PDF builder. You can see here, there is this PDF builder which will help you build out your entire PDF. You can give it a title. Say that you teach WordPress and you want to create a WordPress beginner, WordPress intermediate, WordPress advanced, and you want to create different reports for 3 categories of people. You can select WordPress beginner, for example, and then next, you can say, I want to add an image. I want to add content. You can upload images for your PDF. That's it. It's going to show it like this. You can upload whatever you want. Text content you can add, and images you can add. You can build out your entire PDF. And we are going to soon add an AI option here. As you can see, this is a super powerful bot platform. I can't wait to hear your success story with this plugin. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this entire video. Be sure to sign up and lock in your prize if you have not done so already. This is one plugin that you definitely need to have. If you're an online business owner, if you have a WordPress site, you definitely need to have this plugin. And this is the future, right? Future of, like I said, future of sales, future of marketing. It's all going to be conversational experiences. If you're able to create content that stands out, that attracts the attention of your prospects as soon as they come to your site and gets them to engage with your content, gets them to answer the questions, you're going to have great success with your list building, with adding qualified leads to your email list, with conversions, with sales, with everything. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. I'll be back soon with more. And I'll be creating a lot more videos related to this plugin, different ways you can use it to grow your online business. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.